YouTube just released a new feature that can make your channel go viral in 2026. This is not a clickbait video. This feature is live and direct in your YouTube studio. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what this feature is and how you can use this feature to blow up your YouTube channel. Have you noticed that YouTube is pushing a lot of small channels right now? Channels with 200 subscribers, 500 subscribers, they are getting viral videos. I mean, their videos are blowing up. In this video, I'm going to expose this feature that is going to change your YouTube game. This feature, most of us are seeing it and ignoring it right now. I'm going to take you to this feature right now in your YouTube channel. If you're a new creator, if you're struggling with views, if your views are really small, your videos are underperforming, you need to check this out. And yes, I'm going to spill two features in this video. Now you need to pay attention to the first feature I am going to show you in this video so you can actually maximize the second feature accurately. You don't need 1,000 subscribers, you don't need 1 million subscribers for YouTube to give you a viral video. Right now YouTube is pushing channels with 200 subscribers, giving them thousands of views. So I wanted to pay attention to this video. I just discovered this and I felt really amazing to show you guys. So if you're struggling with your views, pay attention to this video. So without wasting your time, if you're seeing my face for the very first time on your screen, I'm Creative Blessing. Here we grow together and we help each other to do YouTube the right way. And I'm always here to tell you things you need to do so you don't get your channel into trouble. You know how we do it. Make sure you support a creator. Now listen, I've noticed a lot of creators are going to the comment section to do sub for sub. See, listen, you don't need to beg for subscribers. Right now, if you're still begging for subscribers, believe me, they will not stay on your channel and YouTube will consider those subscribers inactive. YouTube do not like dormant subscribers, so make sure you leave a constructive comment and those who really love your content are going to subscribe to your channel. So without wasting time, let's go straight into the YouTube studio. So right now I want you to go to your YouTube studio in your mobile device. Okay, so you click on your YouTube studio. So once you click on your YouTube studio, this is how the interface will look like. Okay, now I want you to click on contents. Come down here, you click on contents. I want to show you guys this feature. Now I want you to look for a video that is underperforming in your channel. You know this video didn't get a lot of views. Okay, now let's pick a video. Let me use this recent video. Okay, I'm gonna click on this one. So guys, this video is not getting a lot of views, and guys, this video is packed with a lot of value. Now look at this video is getting 8 of 10. We're going somewhere. Follow me step by step, and you can see now the views is showing downward. That's 965. Even with 965 on this channel, it is a low view. You can see the arrow is pointing down, and you can see the impression click-through rate is actually not bad, and the view duration is amazing. I told you the value is amazing. Once you watch this video, you're going to stay true. Now let me show you the feature. This is not what we're trying to do right here. So you click on your video performance. Okay, so I'm going to click on this part. Now come down here, you see this part that says your 24-hour recap is ready. A lot of you are skipping this feature. Now let me show you how to use this. Click on it. So the moment you click on this, you're going to see how your video did in the first 24 hours. Guys, YouTube is showing you how your video is performing and what you can do. Now let's see further. It says the video got 835 views. It's still updating, and the likes is 87 likes, 62 comments. Now you swipe. Now swipe through. It says it turned viewers into subscribers. Now this feature is helping you to access your YouTube videos. Now look at this. It turned viewers into subscribers. Now it told me this video got me 6 subscribers. Now go further. Now you can see this. Let me explain this. However, views were lower than usual. Now YouTube is telling you what is going on in your video. You can see here, this part is just to show you the percentage. Don't worry about this. Now let's go to the interesting part of this video. Now look at this. It says consider this to get more people to watch. Now this feature is telling you what to do in your next upload. Watch this. It says expectation. Are you delivering the value you promised in the title and thumbnail? Now the next thing, the pacing. Is the addicting flow of your video engaging enough? This is the feature asking you. Now, the next thing is telling me here, it says, is the content relatable and the structure easy to follow? Listen, guys, the reason why I am using a video that didn't perform so well, so you guys can understand how this feature works in your YouTube studio. Now, swipe next. You're going to see get inspired by your past successes. Now, this feature will tell you other videos in your channel that are doing so well. You can get inspiration to create your next video. Now you can see this video here, how I got more views, how to make YouTube push your videos, and YouTube is deleting channels. Now these were successful videos that was captured by this feature. So you can see now this feature is going to show you exactly what to do. Now I'm going to give you guys a bonus feature. Stay with me on this video. Now let's go. Now you see here it says find your next idea with the inspiration tool. Now if we click on see video idea, click on this, automatically this is going to bring you here. So guys, this is going to show you the next video you need to make on your channel. See, YouTube is trying to help a lot of small creators to create the right content to push their videos to the right audience. Now you can see here it's telling you videos I can try. It says how to start a YouTube channel, how to increase YouTube channel subscribers, and here it says how to make a YouTube video in 2026. So these are topics I should work on. So if I'm going to do anything outside this topic, let me just know I'm on my own. This feature is outlining this straight to me. Now let's go to the bonus feature. So for you to use this bonus feature, we're going to use the YouTube dashboard side. Stay with me. Now you go to your dashboard side. If you've been following me on this channel, you already know how to go to the dashboard site. So you continue to studio, just follow me step by step. Okay, so this is the interface. Let me just take you guys straight to this bonus feature. Okay, so you come over to where you have your content, so you click on content. Now just come straight to inspiration. Click, you see this part here, inspiration. Let me zoom this clearly so you guys can see what I am doing. Okay, can you guys see very well now? Now you click on inspiration. Now this is underrated, this is overlooked. Make sure you're making use of this feature. Guys, look at this. This is a part of YouTube that is going to spark your next idea. See, it is only the right video that can blow your channel, that can give you that virality you're looking for, that can make your video go viral and you start getting a lot of views on your channel. So now let's see what we have here. You can see here it's outlined YouTube growth strategy, monetization tactics, creator motivation, platform policy updates. Now guys, listen. This will vary depending on your niche. So for me, as a YouTube growth strategist, as a YouTube coach, this is what I need for my channel. So let's say you're into lifestyle, you're going to get ideas based on lifestyle content. Now you can see video ideas I have here. Now it's telling me what I wish I knew before reaching my first 1,000 YouTube subscribers. And trust me guys, if you create content around this topic, in no time, YouTube will push that video. And not just pushing that video, you have less worry. You know, some of us are worried about the kind of content we should create, the kind of topic. Come and utilize this. See, in 2026, you don't need to pay any guru, you don't need to pay any coach thousands of money for you to do YouTube the right way. I know there's a part for mentorship, for someone to guide you step by step, but then there are certain things that is already in your YouTube studio that is going to change the game for you. And if we continue to go through these features, if we come here, if you say show more, so you can see the options are unlimited. A lot of topic ideas, guys. All you just need to do, take your time, go through these topic ideas one after the other and see which of them you can build on. So if you want to type any specific topic, you have any specific topic in your mind, you can just go ahead and just say, okay, let me say how to dance. Okay, let's see if it's going to approve that, even though my channel is not about dancing. Let's see. Guys, look at this. even with how to dance. Come and see the title I'm having here: how to grow a dance channel from 0 view fast in 2026. Guys, it is still taking me to stay in my YouTube growth niche. So guys, I want you guys to try these features right now. A lot of creators, we are seeing these features, but we're just ignoring them. We feel it doesn't matter. Oh, I just need to do something special for my videos to go viral. There's one magic or miraculous thing I need to do. Guys, there is no magic, there is no miraculous thing anywhere. Just follow these features YouTube is placing, and YouTube will keep updating features that is going to help creators to do better on their platform. So if you found this video helpful, tell me thank you in the comment section, and I'm going to see you guys in another video. Bye.